So all you really need for this is some kind of handle. I'm using an axe handle. You could fashion it out of like aluminum plate or steel or something, but I'm just going for the axe handle. Keep it classic. And then 2 ascenders. And I'm thinking that it might be even more efficient to use rope grabs on this, at least 1 rope grab on this, but I'm using ascenders. So this back one attaches on the front. That way you can carabiner to whatever you're tied up to. And the only trick here really is just to make sure that your bolt isn't getting in the way of your grab device. And you want the bolt to be low profile enough you can fit your rope in there. And I'm talking like a thick rope, 3/4 or 1 inch rope. Okay, so that's my device. These 2 guys just need to dry so that thread lock kicks in. All right, let's test this baby out on the tractor. And on this end, I'm going to attach my DIY porter wrap to the truck just so I can tension and kind of hold the line after running it through the jack. All right, so I got this slack recaptured on the porter wrap, and I just gotta loosen this guy to take it off the rope.